Oh, we have chat. My bad, guys. We have people in the chat asking questions. Sell on for when it should be validated since we took buy side liquidity. Yes, Dorley. Wait till next week. There's no rush, right? I just seen your question in the chat here, the message chat. If you're 1.5% away from passing phase one, just wait. Um, so right now we're just reading price here. Just doing some tape reading. Let's see. Still talking because nothing's come out yet. So wonder if I can find his speech. What is it? A Waller? There's nothing I can find where he's live right now. So yeah. Waller overslept. That's funny. So we have this bullish breaker here. Um, Small market structure shift, fair value gap here. So we'll see. Just watching price, we'll see if we bounce off of this breaker here. Didn't tap into the fair value gap yet. That's funny, Stefan. Waller overslept. All right, so we're tapping in there. So this is our breaker. So price can come all the way down here. We can wick, but we want to watch the candle bodies. Price is also in a bearish breaker from the 30 swing high, 930 swing high. Bearish breaker. Oh, on as. Gotcha. So um, traditionally, this would be your long with your 5 here, and then target just the top of this wick for your 5. Um, but we have this news right now, so price is going to be less predictable. So he's still talking. Nothing's come out yet. So we could just completely violate this whole setup and drop to yesterday's low still. So take this fib again here to this high. You got 618. You could have waited to get in there off 618, which gives you your 5 below here, and then small target there for 5, and then 10 gives you just inside of this fair value gap as a target. Because remember, fair value gaps don't expire. They can be reused. So with the idea of this as your target for 10, but like I said, we have this orange folder news, so let's see. In here. Here's your 5. So far, if you notice the candle bodies, they're all kind of closing, respecting this fair value gap in here. Oh, here come the doggos. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. So it looks like maybe he's answering questions. Did the price consolidate into a breaker, or would it be better to react strongly? Well, of course, yeah, it would be better to act strongly for sure. That's what you would want. Um, but if you're reading the price action, Herman, uh, I don't know if you're in here. Let me see. Okay, just want to make sure so I wasn't just talking. Yeah, exactly, Balder. So you would just be watching the bottom of this breaker. We can wick below it, but you want to pay attention to the candle body closures. Remember, the wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story. Again, just like yesterday, we would want price, if it was going to go before 1050, because then we start getting into a new trading algorithm or price delivery, also known as macro, that starts at like 1050. So if you notice the bottom of this breaker, we're still respecting this breaker, all these candle bodies here. Dow up. Nice. What do I have down here? Yep. So let's say you were in this trade. If you were in this trade at 5, you would probably want to take your profit or close half or take some partials here at 5. If you're going to try to go for the full 10, then you would go break even at 5. Unless you're completely okay taking the full stop out if it comes back against you, but pay yourself there and there. Coming in on 5. Here's your 5. I didn't get in this trade, Jeff. We're just price reading today. So I'm recording this. This is all for just we're live tape reading to practice. But if we took this trade, we got in here. So closing in on your 10. There you go. You don't want to miss on this lifetime offer for lifetime access, $49. I'm telling you, everyone is loving it in this Discord. Um, we're all winning together. Live trading. We do market recaps, lots of extras, strategies, beginner basics, motivation, prop firm certificates. So don't miss out on this cheap entry price. Get in now before the price increases. And until next time, trade safe.